Hello guys, in this video today I will show you how to open WhatsApp on your computer. So basically you go to this website www.web. and then whatsapp.com and click on there. You go to this website web.whatsapp.com, and then on your mobile phone you go to settings on your WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp and go to settings, and there will be an option WhatsApp web/desktop. You click on it, and then it will give you option to scan this QR code. So when you scan it, this is what's going to happen, and it will bring up your WhatsApp on your computer. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye. I'll wait for you to see WhatsApp. There we go. Bye.